Greetings to you, and then greetings to greetings, Tabatan, Ngiyabingelela kakhulu. And then greetings to you, and then greetings to Dr. Buram, greeted, and then also the family. I've seen that your daughter is here, your husband. Thanks for that. And then also greetings to colleagues from the province. We've got communication here. We've got also, he's playing two roles. He's here as the program director, also a colleague from the province. And then greetings to Ubaba, where is our circuit manager, Mr. Pagati, and then all other colleagues who are here from the district. I've seen my PAs also here, Utandeka, to give me a support. And then I think it's very important to greet Usihlalo, Nkalongo Sihlalo, that is governors of the school, Usihlalo governing body, Mama Mkak, ngiyakubingelela kakhulu. And then the principal of the school, Mama Makwaza, we are greeted. SMT, as well as teachers of MPC, Bazali, because I understand that the Schools Act always will say that only parents are supposed to be here. And Bengelela Bazali, Sanbonan, Ninjani Bazali, Ngiyaphila kakhulu ngiyabonga. Let me greet Dr. Langa, class of 2036. Bazali labantwana benu abantwana bazabe benza ugrade 12 ngo-2036 anti nakuthiwa lokho useduzane ke u-2036 nizobona ekuthini njengoba kwenzeka kanje namhlanje ukuvala kwe-gap i-foundation ngeke ngithi bothatha i-foundation yendlu uyibheka sike sithi i-crack eyingozi empilweni noma ku-structure sendlu i-foundation crack uma ngabe kukhona i-crack ku-foundation kuyabiza ukuyilungisa. It's very expensive to attend to a foundation crack. And then as we are doing here, as we are here, bekhona my desk bazovala i-crack ekhona eyakhozeka ngey'khathi zethu. If you remember very well, thina bazali saqala lapho ukufunda ngaphansi kwesihlahla abanye bethu lapho sahlala kuphi etsheni. Uyasikhumbula islate wawuthi usiphatha nto uyasikhumbula lapho wawubhala khona ubhalana noma ngani akusekho kuyaqhela lokho kwaqhela. Now ukhumbula amabhenchi ebesihlala phezu kwawo angithi those long ones, and then where we're using our laps to write. Do you still remember those days? Yes, we have moved away from those days. Uyalikhumbula idesk lena nihlala khona ke la kwakuyikhombo uhlala nomunye umuntu eduzane kwakho ubhala lapha phezulu. Do you still remember those desks? Esibiza ikhombo sesiqhelile kuwona. We moved to a single one where we were sitting alone, but it was a combo. Do you still remember those days? Nalabo bakusebenzile lokho. And then we had also now another type of ama-desk amasha abakhona lana sesiwabiza ukuthi ama-table desk that they are using now. Lapho kuba khona itafuladlana itafula lakhe nani nesitulo angithi nakubona lokho. And then today I think it's very important, Doc, to say also to say to you thank you for bringing the change in the country. Actually, it's not only the country, it's international. It's for the first time that I'm seeing this thing. My desk. Empeleni bazali nabantwana akulona desk leli. This is a workstation. It's a workstation. We are now introducing these kids, young as they are, to an office situation. That is what you are doing. I don't know that maybe you noted that. To say that here's the desk and then how also to look after this. It's very, very important because they know that everything, we are teaching them to be organized, to be responsible, to be accountable by just giving them this thing. Because they know that this belongs to me and then it's me who's supposed to make sure that I am looking after it very well. And then also the packaging, the way you put things inside. They know that if maybe the light is not enough, what to do. So this is a workstation. Nabona abazali sokufana ne-office lakatisha omkhulu nikubonile futhi kudlula ngisho ne-office lakatisha omkhulu lokhu ngoba lokhu kuyi-office kwakona abantwana bethu bazobe sebesebenzisa yini i-office ngoba yonke into ikhona kuyavulwa lapha nithi nibonile kwenziwa konke. That is very important. And then ke okunye tisha omkhulu, I don't know whether maybe you are careful, you are aware, as you are taking away these old wooden desk uyikhulumile u-program director lapho what